Hey y'all, it's Shakira the Actresspreneur. I'm here to give y'all my review on HighOh Panties. This is my first time trying out HighOh Panties. I've seen like advertisements for it on TikTok, Instagram. Basically, it's period panties for women, by women. So first of all, thank you. I appreciate that. They reached out to me and they asked me to collab. They were saying how they came from a poor background. And if you're a woman, you know pads are expensive. Tampons are expensive, especially since you gotta keep buying them and throwing them away, then buying some more and throwing them away. That stuff is expensive, okay? Being a woman, look, first of all, pads should be free, but that's another story for another day. Luckily, I got blessed with HighOh Panties, and let me tell y'all, it's a dream come true, okay? This stuff works. So, I'll talk about the pros and cons. So the pros, first of all, this waterproof bag, very convenient. I think it's very cool, very sleek, very urban. It's cute. It's very cute. So it carries the panties. It's the period starter kit. Check out their website. It carries the panties on the inside and whatever else you might need for your period. It's waterproof. It's very soft. So if you have an accident and you put your panties on, say they get full, you can put it back in the bag, especially if you're out and about. And I mean, it's waterproof, so like the blood won't seep through and no crazy stuff will happen because you have this convenient little bag. And it's travel. You can snap this on and off like your purse, book bag, whatever. Or if you just want to carry it, you know, very convenient. I like it. If I didn't use it for period panties, I would use it for like other stuff, my little trinkets, makeups, all that stuff, jewels, crystals, stuff like that. But yeah, I love this bag. This is a great period starter kit bag. And then on the inside, I have the period panties. So here are the period panties. And like I said, dream come true, because on my period, I like to wear grandma panties, quote unquote grandma panties, because they're comfortable and they're big, so they're able to like catch everything. I usually have moderate to heavy periods. Before birth control, I had really heavy periods where I would always miss my pad, always, literally. And yeah, it was a murder scene for real. But once I got on birth control, my periods lightened up and they got more regular. But yeah, like I was saying, I like wearing grandma style panties on my period because they're comfortable, they big, they catch everything. So I really like the style of their period panties. HighOh, you did your thing with this. I like this style, big, comfortable, it catches everything. And if you check the inside, I'm gonna show it up close to the camera. It's like a built-in pad material. I like it because it's soft. So here, like it's all sleek and see-through and sexy there, and then boom, a pad built in, and it go all the way to your butt. So I like that design. It's really nice. It's important that you get pads to go to your butt, especially if you bleed a lot, because we all know it seeps back there and you get swamp booty. But yeah, so that's the design. I like it. I even like the like sheer little see-through because it makes you feel sexy. Although they're like grandma style panties, it still makes you feel sexy because when you're on your period, you're already insecure, going through all these feelings and emotions. So yeah, I definitely like the design on this. Y'all did y'all thing with this. When I got it, I did wash it first, of course. I'm actually wearing them right now. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how it looks. These are the period panties. This is how it looks. You know, there's a little see-through. There's a pad all the way to the back. It makes me feel good. So yeah, I like it. I wore them when I was on my period. It did do its thing. It did its job. So now we're talking about the cons. Well, another pro, I get to match my dog when she's on her period because my baby girl, Candy, she goes into heat every 6 months. We have to put similar style diapers on her and just reuse them, wash them, use them again, wash them. So I like that concept because I don't have to go out and keep buying her diapers and pads and then throw them away and go buy some more. It definitely saves a lot of money. So I appreciate that. I appreciate that I get to twin with my dog. Okay, now on to the cons. It is convenient to wash and reuse, but if you don't have like extra. I only have 2 pair. The one I'm wearing and the one right here in my hand. So if you don't have extra, then you'll be sitting and waiting for them to wash in the washing machine while you're free bleeding. No, I'm just kidding. Put on a pad. But yeah, that's like, if you don't have extra like HighOh panties, then you're going to have to go back to the pads, because you have to wash these once they get full. You don't want to keep sitting in it because that's kind of nasty. But yeah, you wash them once they get full and then reuse them. But I mean, I like that concept. I like it a lot. Another con, and this was just personal, these are too small. They're too small for me. So I wore it on my period, but it didn't catch everything. Because like I said, I have like moderate to heavy periods. So it didn't catch everything and hold everything. And plus, like, because it's too small, it's kind of cutting off my circulation. It's a little tight down here. It's a little bit tight. So ladies, I suggest you do your measurements. Make sure you pick the right size. I should have went for a medium. This is a small. Yeah, this is a small. I know they have extra small, medium, large, plus size. They cater to all women because all women have periods. Thank you, Eve. But yeah, that's my only complaint. It's just too small for me. I got the wrong size. I'm gonna reach out to HighOh and get the right size, and hopefully the medium will do its thing. It'll catch everything. It'll sit in place. It's comfortable, grandma style panties. I love it. And it goes all the way to the back, so it catches the blood from the front to the back. And if you're a man watching this, I'm sorry you got to hear about all this, but you only clicked on this video because you wanted to see my sexy booty and some panties, okay? And y'all know YouTube allows everything. But that is my review on HighOh panties. Thank you guys for reaching out and offering me to represent you guys. I really appreciate it, because as a woman with a period, man, it's a struggle out here. It's expensive, okay? But this makes it more convenient, and it makes it cute, it makes it comfortable, and all that good stuff. Thank you for checking out my channel. I am Shakira, the Actresspreneur. Go check out HighOh Panties websites, get your period starter kit, and tune in for more. Come back and check it out. Let me know what you think. If you're a woman, comment down below your review on HighOh panties. If you're a man, go and buy your woman some HighOh panties. A period starter kit is the best thing you can start with. All right, that way you don't worry about, baby, what size pad, what kind of pad, is this a tampon, which way does it go? Yeah, you don't have to worry about it if you have your HighOh period starter kit for my gentlemen. That's a good tip, right?